We have some Hello Kitty stuff. These are from Mighty Jaxx. I want to do these first. This is the Candy series, Sanrio Characters Choco Edition. There are 6 standards and a secret, and we have 7 to open, which is so random and I'm so excited. So let's go. Look at this cute little box. Okay, hold on, look at this. And then it's perforated along the rest of it. Oh! There's like a flat bag, which I'm gonna assume is like the stand. So let's do the bigger bag. Ready? My Melody. Okay, so hold on. Let's just do this one because this has to be her little stand. Yeah. Oh, okay. Look. So she has her stand and then My Melody, obviously. And then she has this little accessory. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Wait a minute. Wait. She's the secret. We got the secret first one. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. This is our secret, you guys. Okay. I need to calm down. The secret, just like, how do you even move on? It's gonna be okay. Next. Okay. We've got to keep our eyes away. Oh, cinnamon roll. I don't know Sanrio characters like that well, but I like to learn. And there is our cinnamon roll. Oh, these are very cute. Next. Okay, we still have a bunch to get through. Oh no, I ripped this one. That's my bad. Oopsies. Okay. Who is this? Oh, see, I don't know his name. Little, like, accessory are all little bitten cookies. This one looks like mint chocolate, and I actually cannot. He's so cute. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna run out of time. These are kind of fun boxes, I gotta say. What's up next? Wait, I like him a lot. Bad Bats Maru. Oh my gosh, somebody needs to give me a lesson on Sanrio characters. Look at him. Oh my gosh, I actually like him a lot. Next. Oh, is that Pachaco? No. Who are you? Wait, I'm confused. No, it's not. Pom-Pom-Purin? Somebody help me. I lost his little cookies, but he's very cute. Next. Good one. There we go. Ready? Karami. Is there like a thing people don't like Karami for some reason? Yes. I like her a lot. Next. Okay, last one. Oh, that was bad. Here we go. Hello Kitty. There is our little Hello Kitty. Thank you so much, Mighty Jaxx. These are awesome, and we're gonna do these next, so come back.